Hi there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're making something truly special: lobster tails. Lobster tails are a luxurious and impressive dish, perfect for a special occasion or just a fancy weeknight meal. And the best part is, they're actually quite easy to cook. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to cook lobster tails, baked and grilled. So whether you're a kitchen pro or a total beginner, you can follow along and make restaurant-quality lobster tails at home. Ingredients: 4 lobster tails, 1/4 cup melted butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: baked lobster tails. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. If your lobster tails are frozen, thaw them in the refrigerator overnight. Using kitchen shears, cut through the top of the lobster tail shell, stopping just before the flesh. Gently spread the shell open, like a butterfly. In a small bowl, whisk together the melted butter, olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Brush the lobster meat generously with the butter mixture. Place the lobster tails on a baking sheet, shell side down. Bake for 10–12 minutes, or until the meat is opaque and cooked through. Instructions: grilled lobster tails. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. If your lobster tails are frozen, thaw them in the refrigerator overnight. Brush the lobster tails with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Place the lobster tails on the grill, shell side down. Grill for 3–4 minutes per side, or until the meat is opaque and cooked through. Tips: for an extra decadent touch, you can drizzle the lobster tails with melted butter before serving. Lobster tails pair well with a variety of sides, such as roasted potatoes, asparagus, or rice. If you're feeling adventurous, you can try adding other herbs and spices to the butter mixture, such as parsley, thyme, or cayenne pepper. I hope you enjoyed this lobster tail recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know how your lobster tails turned out.